Can you imagine a bridge that doesn't have any nuts or bolts holding it together? Fascinating, isn't it? Now let's embark on a journey to the city of joy, Kolkata, where stands the magnificent Howrah Bridge, a symbol of Indian engineering prowess. Spanning the Hooghly River, this colossal cantilever bridge is a lifeline for the city, connecting Howrah and Kolkata. But what makes it truly unique is its construction. Believe it or not, this behemoth was built without the use of a single nut or bolt. Instead, the bridge is held together by rivets, making it an engineering marvel. Now, let's step back in time to the year 1943. Amidst the turmoil of World War II, Indian engineers worked with British architects to construct this bridge using 5,400 metric tons of high-tensile steel, sourced from a company in England named Teesside. So we have a massive structure standing tall without a single nut or bolt. Isn't that something? This isn't just a bridge, it's the pulse of Kolkata, beating every day with the city's rhythm. At the heart of the city's ceaseless bustle, the Howrah Bridge stands tall, a testament to the unyielding spirit of Kolkata. Every morning, as the sun peeks over the horizon, the bridge hums to life, welcoming a swarm of vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists. With over 100,000 vehicles and nearly 150,000 pedestrians crossing daily, it's not just a bridge, it's a lifeline. The Howrah Bridge is more than a marvel of engineering, it's a cultural icon. Its grandeur has been captured in countless films and songs, its silhouette a symbol of the city's identity. It whispers stories of the city's past, narrates tales of the present, and dreams of the future. In the realm of literature, the bridge has been a silent character, a backdrop against which countless narratives have unfolded. It has endured, standing strong as the city has transformed around it, bearing witness to change, yet remaining a constant. Connecting Howrah and Kolkata, it's not just a physical link, but an emotional one too. It bridges the gap between two worlds, two cultures, two histories, symbolizing unity amidst diversity. The Howrah Bridge, then, is more than a mere crossing over the Hooghly River. It's a symbol of Kolkata's spirit. Now here's where things get interesting. There's a tale that has been passed down through generations, a tale as captivating as the bridge itself. An urban legend whispers that during the inauguration of the Howrah Bridge, a group of engineers, fueled by superstition and tradition, decided to throw a coin into the river. Their hope was for this small act to bring good luck and longevity to the bridge. Like any good story, this one too has sparked debates and interpretations. Some say it's merely a story, an Indian version of tossing a coin in the Trevi fountain, while others believe it to be an integral part of the bridge's history. And then there are those who argue philosophically, claiming the coin represents the engineer's hopes and dreams for the bridge, cast into the river of time. Whether true or not, this tale adds a layer of mystery to this already intriguing structure. Now, we've talked about the Howrah Bridge, its unique construction, its importance, and even a legend. But there's always more to learn, isn't there? This is where you come in. Maybe you've strolled across this colossal cantilever, felt the vibrations of countless vehicles, or witnessed the sunrise painting its steel body in hues of gold. Every perspective adds a new layer to its story. Do you think the coin-throwing legend is true? Or perhaps you have your own tale to tell about the Howrah Bridge? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so do share them in the comments below.